In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a live chat to a Weebly website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Adding a live chat feature can significantly enhance the interaction between you and your visitors, making it easier to provide support and engage with your audience. So let's dive straight into it. First, you'll need to get your chat code. Start by creating an account with a live chat software provider. You can choose from popular services like Tidio, HubSpot, or any other tool that offers a free chat widget. Once you've signed up, head over to their dashboard. This is where you'll configure your chat widget according to your preferences. After you've completed your customization, look for the JavaScript embed code. It's usually prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have trouble finding it. When you see the script snippet, go ahead and copy the entire thing to your clipboard. This piece of code is essential as it allows the chat feature to operate on your website. Next, it's time to open the Weebly editor. Go to the Weebly website and log into your account. You'll see a list of your projects, so select the specific website you want to manage and click on the Edit Site button. This will take you into the editor, where you can make all the necessary changes to your site. Now that you're in the editor, you need to access the SEO code panel. Look at the top menu of the editor. You should find an option labeled Settings. Click on that, and a new menu will appear on the left side. From this menu, select SEO. This is where we'll embed the chat code. Once you're in the SEO section, scroll down until you find the header code box. This is where you'll paste the live chat script you copied earlier. Simply click inside the box and paste your code. It's important to place it in this header code box because doing so ensures that the chat widget will load automatically on every page of your website. This way, visitors will always have access to chat whenever they browse your site. Now that you've embedded the chat code, the final step is to save your changes and push everything live. To do this, look for the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. Click on that to save your progress. Once your site is published, you'll want to confirm that everything is working as intended. To do this, open your website in a new or incognito browser tab. This will allow you to see your site as a visitor would, without any cached data. As you view your page, you should notice the chat bubble appearing in the corner of your screen. If you see it there, congratulations! You've successfully added a live chat feature to your Weebly website. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can enhance your site's capabilities and improve customer engagement. Remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your live chat integration.